Hi, this is Tom Eddins, licensed acupuncturist, Tui Na, and qigong practitioner, doing the Ba Duan Jin 8 silken movements, number 3, separating heaven and earth. For this one, we take a shoulder width stance. Do want to make sure the knees are not locked. So I'm going to tuck the pelvis under, let the sacrum sink down, while at the same time unlocking the knees. So the low back, the Mingmen or life gate area in the low back, opens up. Let the head be suspended by a thread, elongating the neck. And so I emphasize this nice long central axis and the spine elongating up and down along that. For this one especially, separating heaven and earth, where we're working with an upward and downward movement simultaneously. So for this one, the hands come up to about the chest height. One turns over and goes down while the other goes up. And so they turn over and come towards each other. The one on the bottom rolls over and pushes up while the top one continues down. So my emphasis here is on sinking the weight down into the feet, into the heels, and then raising up from that. So I feel as if I'm pulling something down from the sky and pinning it down, almost like I'm pushing something underwater. I'm going to hold it down while this hand stretches up away from that. So relaxed, contracted a little bit, breathing. I breathe out, I'm going to breathe in, separate the hands, anchor on the bottom, remember, extend on the top, breathing out, breathing in. Again, letting the hands mirror the body so that the whole body is allowed to relax into a closed or contracted state here, including the hands, and then expands into a more open state. So each time the hand opens up and it closes. It's closed in here and it's opened here. Imagine I'm running something up and down on a track in front of me. The last thing to go then is the palms. So the hands go up, and then finally the shoulders, really the shoulder blades, move a little bit and turn the arms into position. So the palms are up and down. And then the palms relax, shoulders relax, using the breath, raising up and expanding to the top of the posture. So if you're doing this exercise alone, practice it for 18 repetitions each side. And if you're doing it as part of the set, I'll usually do 9 repetitions, or 18 if I have time on each movement. All right, separating heaven and earth.